Walk through fields of loss and gain, build my dreams from stone and rain. Every crumble, every scar, show me what my values are. Roots of gold beneath the ground, I rise in strength where truth is found. Through the storm I learn to see the wealth of soul inside of me. Change comes slow but runs so deep.